Well, hello there everyone, and welcome to a uxwbill and Keykeeper video. The Keykeeper has not learned his lesson the first time. Now he's got himself another big old diesel truck, and of course it's got all the problems in the world. We don't have a functional speedometer, but most importantly, we don't even have a working radio that we can turn up so we don't hear the noise the speedometer's not making, or any other noise this thing might happen to make along the way. I think you should all bug the Keykeeper down in the comments. I'm sure I will regret doing that a little bit later on, to make a video telling you all about this truck. What is this, a 2006 F650?
F550.
F550. And what engine has it got in it?
A 6-liter Power Stroke diesel that's been bulletproofed, as they call it.
Okay, how many miles have we got on it?
246,823.
And what kind of equipment does this thing have? I know it's wearing a utility bed.
So it's got a Alco, I think, utility box on it. It's got
I thought it was an Altec.
Altec, thank you. It's got a Lincoln Electric welder generator on it, air compressor, and a auto crane.
Okay. I love that picture up there. Put your seatbelt on in case you turn the truck upside down.
Okay.
But what we're doing here tonight, I don't remember what rear end gears. Show us that again. Show us how well that works. Oh yeah, it's got cop mode.
So this truck claims it has a 4.88 rear end ratio in it.
No, I take that back. The lights are on. I didn't think they were. I thought they went out. But they are on. But the high and low beams are reversed.
Correct.
And of course, it's got an ABS light and all that good stuff. Again, we can't turn up the radio to drown out the sound that the ABS isn't making. But since we have no speedometer and we're just kind of curious, what we've got here is my HVACR related iPad. This has most of my refrigeration and air conditioning service tools on it. And being as it's a cellular model, it also is equipped with a GPS. So it has the ability to run a GPS speedometer application, which is what we're doing right now, to kind of get an idea. Wow, this thing feels weird. To kind of get an idea of what rev range on the tachometer when we're at highway speeds equates to what speed. Now I know that gets kind of hand wavy because you've got the gearing of the transmission to consider, as well as how hard the engine is working when it pulls a hill, or if it has to downshift or anything along those lines. But we're just looking to get a rough idea. And since it's as dark as it is right now, it's what time does that say it is? I can't really tell from here, and this seatbelt is not for big boys. 7:20, and it's well and truly dark out here. So we probably really shouldn't try to find out how fast this thing will go. Not least of which because I don't know how good the tires are on it.
So the front tires are a little worn down. They should be replaced. But the rear tires are brand new.
Okay. Are there any other noteworthy features on this thing that we should be aware of?
Well, I've got these two outfitter switches right here that control two different work lights and also a set of strobes. None of these are hooked up. I thought about hooking this up, I still might.
That's the one from the days of the big brown truck, isn't it?
Yes, it is. I'm kind of undecided about that.
Okay.
Because these are only, these only have power with the keys on. These have power all the time.
Oh look, here comes a modern, safer car. Nope, with its wonderful headlights.
And fog lights.
And fog lights. There's no fog to be seen, but oh yeah, they got the fog lights on.
I feel so safe with the fog lights on.
Oh yeah, we're definitely in our safe space. Probably gonna get in trouble.
Line, I'm not sure if it's at the differential or transmission. It goes away when I shift into neutral.
Oh, that's good.
So I'm not sure. I'm not too worried about it. Brakes work. I replaced a brake hose earlier today.
Brakes work a lot better now.
Oh yeah.
They were nearly non-existent before. They were really in line with Henry Ford's original purported statement that he reportedly said in regard to the Model T's brakes. Wow, that's terrible prose. That, you know, brake now, stop later. Well, it stops now. but there's still some work to do, because the reason it's unhappy about the ABS has to do with the fact that someone cut all the wiring up front. Don't know why. Again, anybody in the comments knows these trucks well, anything you want to tell us about them, we would love to know for sure. It does have very good heat. Do we know if the air conditioning works?
Been too cold to test it.
Been too cold to test it, okay. But as you can see, we're just burning gas. Well, we're burning diesel and wasting time, as Furhead once said. But also trying to do a little bit of science along the way here, just to see how fast the old truck really feels comfortable going. As big and heavy and unadvantageously geared as it happens to be, it's not going to be a race truck, not by any stretch of the imagination. But I guess that's really about all we can say, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm going to bring it up to 70 and kind of see where the engine's turning at.
You think this thing will do 70?
I'm going to find out.
Good thing my life insurance is paid up. I don't know if any of you can hear that in your speakers. Ooh, 6.7.
Oh, God.
Hi, Weasel 2 HDM. You're just holding it at that deliberately, aren't you?
Yeah, I've got the pedal forward right now.
We are wide open. How hard is she spinning? Okay, I'll quit trying to blind him while he's driving. Will she do 70?
I think so.
Oh yeah, it made it.
If you don't like it, she'll do it.
It sounds like a rocket ship in here.
Yeah.
And wow, the handling is, this thing's squirrely.
It's kind of squirrely. I don't like it.
I think we're going to quit with that while we're ahead.
Yeah, I don't need to have an accident.
All right, everybody. Well, I think that probably pretty well wraps up the video.
Yep. Thanks for tuning in.
And what should they do?
Comment, subscribe, drop a like. You know the routine.
There you go. You heard it from the man himself, the Keykeeper. Don't make him mad, because you won't like him when he's angry.
I'll get my keys out.
That's right.